everybody. My name is Michael Paredes, and the nature of my business is his business. So, it's our business. And among location ay sa Sikatunan, 314C, Wellness and Building. Yan, di ba? And then, why am I here? Actually, I'm not supposed to be here kasi nag-dental surgery ko sa morning, kanang pagtangtang sa wisdom teeth. Pero, I met these guys. Actually, I will not be like this if not for them. Sila ang akong mga idol bitaw, akong inspiration sa pagpa-business. Ano naman? Kasi, I talked with them bitaw sa school mismo. And then, na-inspire ko kasi ang passion ko nila to become financially free to support their families is a very noble reason to do business. And morag, with all the opportunities that me and my dad have been given sa business world, if only lang I can repay back their kindness to me, allowing me to become their friend, I'd also like to provide them with equal opportunities to make it big, become successful, whatever they like. So hopefully, from today, maybe ito maka-open some doors for them, who knows bitaw. Pero, thank you kayo sa Lord na we're all here today. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.